Neetha, ready?
All right. Today we are making Thai Basil Chicken. Now, why Thai Basil Chicken? When I went to Singapore, in one of the restaurants, I had this dish and I really liked the flavors. So I thought, okay, let's recreate this. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. So firstly, let's take 500 grams of chicken thighs. I've taken boneless. This is premier cut from Licious. No, this is not a promotion. This table is quite funny. Okay. We're cutting it into small cubes. Cut out. I need to sharpen my knife. My Atlantic chef knife. Juicy, tender chicken thighs. These are red chili pardi. These are Thai red chilies, and I'm going to cut them into round pieces. These are extremely spicy, so be very careful when you're making that. When you're chopping it and also adding it into your dish. If you don't like it too spicy, then please avoid. All right. We need basil for this dish, and I have basil in my balcony. I will show it to you, okay? Handful of basil leaves. Okay, so we have fresh basil leaf from my balcony. Nice. Next, we are going to use sauces. Okay. Something else is missing. I think I need some brown sugar. A little bit of brown sugar also required. So what I'm going to do is, in a bowl, I'm going to add all these sauces and then we'll keep this aside. Okay, so first I'm taking a dark soy sauce. 1.5 teaspoons. Yeah, roughly about that. If you need, you can add it little later. This is fish sauce. Don't add too much of fish sauce, maybe like a teaspoon, a little less than teaspoon. Yeah, so that's your fish sauce. Then your oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of that as well. I mean, this is like a taste maker. You can check out. For people in Kerala, you can check out Host and Pantry. You might find, I'm sure you will find this. I got this from abroad, so I'm going to add this a little bit. Okay, that is that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Just going to use a little my hands. Just a little bit. You don't want too much sweetness into it. Just to balance the fish sauce flavor and dark soy sauce, everything. Add some water to this. The chicken powder needs to be well mixed. And now we'll keep this aside. Next thing is to fry your chicken. Alright, so let's switch on the gas. So everybody makes this mistake of adding oil without heating up the pan. Always make sure that you heat up the pan to a certain temperature and then you add oil, because then everything gets sauteed very quickly. This is, yeah, it's kind of hot. Okay, adding in some olive oil. We are going to add in lots of chopped garlic. Quickly stir in. Okay, make sure not to
burn it.
Yes. I think the flavor of the garlic is getting nicely infused in the oil. This time, at this point, we are going to add in shallots. Again, as much as you like, but I have used, I think, almost half a cup of shallots. Shallots is basically your small onion. Let's keep sauteing it like for another 30 seconds. And then we'll add in our Thai chili. So we are keeping little bit for later as well. Thai red chilli is very strong. Now if you don't have Thai red chilli, you can use the normal, the green one. Okay, now add in the chicken. Because it is chicken thighs, this will get cooked really fast. Once the color changes of the chicken, we'll reduce the flame and we'll let it cook. I am not going to add any salt right now because all the sauces has some sort of a saltiness. We'll figure that out a little later after pouring in the sauce. Chicken has changed its color. We'll reduce it. We'll probably add in like a drop of water. This is not like a gravy type dish. This is like a semi-dry, juicy kind of chicken. Let's cover and cook this. I've kept the fire on low. Now, this is half a cup of basmati rice that I've taken. So I have soaked basmati rice for 2 hours. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to heat up the pan first. Then I am adding in half a cup of water to the pan, half a cup of coconut milk. I've taken half cup of rice and used half cup of water and half cup of coconut milk. I've used Kara fresh coconut milk. That gives a very nice flavor. So you can add a little more of coconut milk. There's no problem to that. It gives more creaminess to your rice. So we are going to stir in our chicken. Now the chicken has left a lot of water. Coconut milk and water is nicely getting simmered. Now time to add our rice. So a creamy coconut rice. I don't know, it's not coconut rice. Yeah, it's I don't know what I tried making, but this is something which I ate a lot in all these Asian. When you go to Asian countries, they make a lot of these things. I'm very happy with the way the chicken is turning out to be. There's absolutely no salt. Let's cover. So I'm going to cover and cook this now. Alright. So we'll wait till the coconut milk and the water evaporates. So we are almost there. Huh? Chicken is done. Alright, now time to add our sauce mixture. Yeah, malicious. Okay, let that simmer. Now let's take a look at the, oh my God. We'll reduce the flame as I want all the sauces to just get inside the chicken. Slow cook it basically. I should have added more water because it's very creamy. Okay, let's cook this further because it's not done. Alright, our star ingredient, which is our basil and our Thai red chilli. Time for them to get inside. Okay, throw in your Thai red chilli and handful of your basil. You can tear it or you can just simply put it. Give it a good stir and let it sit for 5 minutes. I want all the flavors getting inside the chicken. Delicious. Such a simple recipe. I mean, you can make it in no time. People find chopping shallots and garlic. So if you have that mini chopper, no, which we get it, use that. All right, we are done. Superb. Let's switch off. The flavor of basil and that red chilli, awesome. Really yummy. Simple ingredients but taste so good. Okay, the final thing is adding in sesame oil. just a little bit. And those of you who don't like the taste, you can completely skip this. This gives that authentic Thai flavor. Yeah, that's it. Just few drops. Our dish is ready. Switch off. Let's take a look at our rice. I think we can switch this off and we'll let it rest. Now it's all dried up. You must be wondering, it's all cornified and but it's not like that because we have used coconut milk. That's why it is in that state. You can reduce the coconut. I told you earlier that use a lot of coconut oil, but if you use more, then this creaminess will happen and then it will stick and all that, etc, etc. So we'll give this coconut rice another 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Time to check our coconut rice. So it has to be this way, nice and creamy. Let me just taste it. It's cooked, and and the flavor of the coconut milk is really yum. Now one last thing to do is to cook our egg. Crack the egg. Okay, I'm taking in the coconut rice. Yummy. Done. And add the egg. Ta-da! Look at this deliciousness. Oh my god, I love the yolk. This is so yummy. This is heaven. This is like comfort food, I'm gonna enjoy this. Do try this recipe and let me know if you like these kind of Thai, Chinese kind of dishes. It's truly yummy. Vignesh, come on! You have to eat it with the yellow. Nice, na? Oof, this is the ultimate food. See you next time. Bye-bye.